To record.
Just let me know once you like start recording it.
I am recording right now. Can you guys see like the icon that says recording?
No.
Yeah, I got the notification.
Oh, you got it? Okay. Yeah, I can see it too.
Okay.
Okay, nice. So, uh, so for like user story 41 and 42, it's very simple. Let's go like quickly from acceptance criteria to acceptance criteria. Just ask me any questions if you guys have like any doubts in between. So for user story 41, as a user, I would like to control my friends list by accepting or declining friend request. So for that, I think I already have Haley as a friend, but yeah, I mean, you can ideally like create two of your accounts, one a normal account and one a Google account, or however it works. So I opened my Google just like side by side so that you guys can like see it. Wait, let me log in again to show you guys. So on one, I've logged in through like normal account. On one, I'm gonna log in through my Google account. Oh, also the account needs to be private, by the way. You guys are following me, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So the account basically needs to be private. So just like
Sorry.
whatever the account you have, make
You
sure
guys
that the
can.
visibility is private for the one that you're going to be adding.
Sorry, can I just restart my computer? You guys can continue.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So as you guys can see, this is one of my account, like one of my Google accounts, and this is one of my normal accounts. You guys can see that the visibility is private, right? So the visibility needs to be private. Yeah, so that's pretty much for it. Then you go to find friends as usual, and then search for the name. Yeah, so you guys can see that the username for this is Sandesh Reddy Patlola. So I'm gonna send a friend request to Sandesh Reddy Patlola. It says request sent. Now just go back to the friends list. In the request, you can see that the request has been sent. And here, if you like open the request, you can see the request here, right? Oh, sorry, you can see the request here, right?
Yeah, do we need to fix the UI or no?
No, you don't need to. Like, it's just because I am not
Oh,
supposed
yeah,
to.
okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So whenever I like click on accept, the friend is added here. And also just to like show it to him, you can like refresh it. And the friends counter also works by the way now.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see like I have one friend and now if I like refresh it, I'll have four friends because I added him as a friend. I added myself as a friend, like the other account. Okay, so let's go to like one by one of the acceptance criteria. Given that the pending friend request is working properly, user should be able to click on the profile of the sending user and also accept or decline the request form. So we've like done accepting and declining, and also we've done like sending requests. And then accepting a friend request will automatically add the new friends to the friends list and update friends count on the profile page. It does, and denying the request will have no effect. So yeah, so
Yes.
you can also like show by denying the effect, then both of the notifications are cleared. And okay, let me like show it to you guys again just to make sure. So I'm
Yeah.
removing it, right? By the way, I'm removing it, right, from the friends list. So whenever I remove from the friends list, it is always mutual. See, it's always mutual.
hmm
So it is,
when I present this, I'll show the declining first. That way I don't have to use different. That way I don't have to remove it.
are you gonna show?
I'll show the declining first, and then I'll show accepting it.
Yes. That would be good. So yeah, make sure that one of your account is private though.
Yes.
Okay, so now we've like sent a request, and also just to make sure, like one of your account, like the account that you're like sending the request from, like try to keep it public, and the account that the request is being received, try to keep it like private. It shouldn't matter, but just to be safe. So now here's the request, right? Whenever you like click decline on the request, refresh the page, the requests are gone, and it is also see the friends counter is updated and it is also removed from this tab. You
So
can see it, right? Okay. So that works. And then let us, yeah, so sorry, my bad. Okay, so we're done with all the acceptance criteria for story one. Haley, are you clear with your story?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, and then let's move to user story 42. As a user, I'd like to react, like or love to my friends' past reviews or ratings. This is very, very simple. So, Haley, you have an account, right, already?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Can you log in through your HAYJ0412 account or like Haley Nicole Johnson account, like whichever account? Wait, let me see if you have reviews in this account. Yeah, you already have a review in this account, HAYJ0412. You can see it, right? Have you like logged in? Hello. Haley, can you hear me?
Oh, sorry, I was on mute.
Oh,
Yeah,
you,
I
yeah.
was like
Have you like
talking the whole
logged
time.
into that account?
Yeah, I logged in and it shows one thumbs up.
One thumbs up. So again,
Yeah.
what you need to do basically is create another review.
Okay.
Just let me and click on like save and let me know once you have like saved the review for anything, for a movie, for a restaurant, it doesn't matter.
Okay, I added it to a movie.
Okay, so let me go. The UI is like buggy for like single thing. Okay, so basically for that you need to show like single page and then you need to like switch to Google and show it to him. That's the only way because presenting with two people would become like really difficult. So you've
Yeah, I was.
added this one, like kind of shit. Is that your review?
Yeah, can you delete these?
You cannot. Yeah,
Oh
you
fuck.
can. I mean, you can just, you need to like just go back to the Zootopia's page and
Oh
then
yeah, okay.
just empty it and then click on save. It should be fine.
No,
And
I think I'll
also
leave it
like
for
look at it. Now
presentation.
I liked you. I am refreshing the
Yeah.
page and you can see that the like still remains. Do you see the like as well on your thing, on your reviews tab?
Yeah, and does the heart work too?
Yeah, the heart also works. Like if I like go like this and yeah, the heart works. Did you get the heart as well?
Yep.
And also if I click again, it becomes unhearted. So then now check if the heart count is zero.
Yes. Why
It
would you
is
do that
zero,
to
right?
me? Fuck you. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so
Sounds good.
for now let's move through like the acceptance criteria of it. Given that the buttons are implemented correctly, users should be able to react with like or love, and you need to move with pace. By the way, I'm going slow, but yeah.
Yeah.
Try practicing your acceptance criteria so that you can move quicker and quicker. So do not answer his questions at all. So if he asks any questions, I'm gonna be like, ask the questions at the end.
Yeah, but we also have to make sure we're doing all the acceptance criteria. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
We've done like I'm showing, right? I'm showing each and every acceptance criteria, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then given that so for this the acceptance criteria one is implemented, given that the buttons are correctly implemented, users should be able to react with like or love to a friend's review, and the review will persist across sessions unless deleted. Okay, so you also need to show deleting for that. Like clicking on it again deletes the review basically, not the review, sorry, the like button the like basically. And then given that the reaction buttons are implemented probably properly, our user should see the reaction count update state immediately upon adding or removing. So you can see the state getting like updated immediately as I like click on the button, right?
Right, but that's just for the user leaving the review. But for the person who's receiving the review, that you still have to refresh. I think that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay because it's just for like the person who's like sending the review. And then given that the React buttons are properly implemented, user will be able to see total number of likes or loves that the review has. So you can clearly show it to him that, okay, these are the total number of likes, these are the total number of hearts that I received, and that's enough. And then given that the permissions are properly implemented, user will not be able to react to their own reviews. So to make sure what you need to do for this is go to your profile page, click on reviews and click on this thing. And it'll say you cannot react to your own review. It's as simple as that.
Perfect. They're pretty simple. Thank you.
Okay, they're pretty simple. Now for user story 31, these are like my user stories, but just in case, like, I just want you guys to like know it as well. So wait, let me delete all the previous chats for the AI. Let me refresh the page. Okay, perfect. New chat. So for this, we need to like move acceptance criteria by acceptance criteria. So given that the UI for AI planning assistant is implemented correctly, the user should be able to see a pop-up page that enables a pop-up or a page. We said or a page, so we built a page. It's as simple as that. That enables them to enter queries or ask questions to the AI assistant. Okay, so we do have that page. We do have everything else set up and everything looks nice, I believe. And then given that the user gives valid input, the AI assistant should show three personalized movie suggestions. So first I go is like, hey, can I get some suggestions? I hope you guys are like following me.
I'm here.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm just muted.
Okay, see, it says I'd be happy to give you suggestions, movie and dining
Same
combos.
here.
So you were like, I need some movie recommendations. See, this is where it gets like kind of buggy because you need to like make it do your thing. Yeah, and it's really slow as well, by the way. So it's gonna take its fair share of time until unless like the message is simple. So these are
Yeah.
these four are the user stories that'll like take the longest amount of time, by the way.
Right, and that should be fine. We don't have any AC saying like it has to be fast.
No, but yeah, we might. So okay, so it gives like three movie suggestions, and for every movie suggestion, if you can see, it gives three dining suggestions, correct?
Yeah, as it gives that every time.
Yeah, it gives that every time because I like coded it to do. Yeah, so then the second acceptance criteria is given that the user gives valid input, it should show three personalized movie suggestions. It shows, and for and the next acceptance criteria three is for every recommended movie, AI should provide three dining suggestions. So three dining suggestions are clearly provided, right, for every movie recommendation. Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so next we move to the next acceptance criteria for this one. Uh, given that the uh, given that the user asks to book a movie or a restaurant, AI should redirect you to the booking page or reservation page. So it doesn't have the capability to redirect, but you can always ask for a booking link. So it recommended like Dracula, right? If I say, can I get the booking link for Dracula? When I click on it, it opens me to the Showtime page. So I'm assuming that acceptance criteria is solved. What do you guys think?
Yeah, looks good to me.
Also, you can
Yeah.
click it from here as well. It essentially does nothing, but it just gives you the link from here. Like if I wanted to go to like Triple X and ask for like a Triple X restaurant thing, it'll give me this and it'll redirect me to the restaurant page because redirect to the restaurant page because we don't know if a restaurant has a reservation or not on Yelp, right? So
Right. Also, the formatting looks really good.
yeah, so when you told me that's the hardest part that took me time because the AI was like written in JSON and when I stringify it, it's turning into latex. So I had to like implement all the latex rules for it.
Gotcha.
Okay, so and then given that the user story is implemented correctly, AI chats must be updated real time without requiring to refresh the page. I'm assuming we did not refresh the page here, so that is fine as well. And then user story 32, as a user, I'd like my AI assistant to explain why each option fits. So let's go by acceptance criteria again. Given that the functionality for AI explanation is implemented correctly, the user should be able to view proper formatted explanation of why each option fits. So you can like clearly see it says why this movie. So it says perfect match for your horror and fantasy preferences. You might think that these preferences are a lie. So just to make sure, like just to make him believe, we can like ask what are my movie preferences. See, war, horror, family, fantasy, family. So these are the ones it recommends, right? So just to make sure I can go on it and I can go on to preferences. You can see, right? War, horror, fantasy, family. So it does know what it's actually talking about. And also it's the same with dining preferences. Like uh, So in this, so basically what it says is like it gives each and every option why it fits, like perfect match for your horror and fantasy preference, and it says that top rated horror fantasy with an impressive rating, and then it gives like highly rated family film. So all of these is like given by it, and every dining combo as well, it gives perfect family friendly dining matching your preference at convenience location. So it also knows the restaurants close to our location, and it also has the data for our location. I don't know if I have to be like scared of it, but yeah, I think it's fine. So I'm assuming this is complete, right? The acceptance criteria one, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you guys can talk. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
it's just my mic is kind of sensitive, so whenever I use my keyboard, you're gonna hear everything. So
it's okay. Okay, it's fine. And then, given that the backend feeds correct travel times and detour times, each explanation clearly mentions at least one of these factors for choosing movie rating, travel time, or detour time. So it mentions one of these factors. There's no possible way to control the AI, right? So it mentions like either rating or either like preference. But if you wanted to like specifically recommend based on travel times, you can do that as well. So let's say I need three restaurants within 10 minutes of travel time. Yeah, it just takes kind of a little bit of time. So I'm gonna have, yeah, okay. See, all of these are in like West Lafayette, right?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
All these are convenient and should be within 10-minute travel time of your location. Which one interests you? It's as simple as that. Okay, so I'm assuming like this one is also done. And then given that the explanations are provided, users should be able to see the explanations in a chat form and will be given an option to save the AI chat. So to save the AI chat, so let's say I like this dining combo thing and stuff. I click on save, then the download is created. When I open the download, I can see the entire AI chat.
Very cool.
You guys can see it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm assuming that acceptance criteria is met as well. And then given that the user story is implemented correctly, AI explanation will be updated without needing to refresh the page. We're not refreshing the page at all. And then as a user, I'd like to give feedback to AI. This is where it kind of gets tricky. So given that the functionality for AI assistant feedback is implemented correctly, the user should be able to see a button to provide feedback to current AI's chat. So this button is the feedback button. So now it says ask anything, right? Can you guys see it? It says ask anything. Can you see?
Yep.
Yeah, so whenever you click on this feedback button, it goes to like share your feedback and this turns golden. So the feedback UI is there. So now then when the user clicks or types feedback, a feedback submitted message instantly appears on the screen. I'm just going, hi, I think you did a great job. Feedback sent successfully. And then it also says, got it, thank you so much. Because it
Oh,
interprets it as feedback.
it's really cool.
Yeah.
Really
So,
cool.
so the third acceptance criteria is also met, I believe. Given that the user provides valid feedback, the AI assistant should show relevant messages like "Got it, thank you." And then, given that the user enters invalid feedback or injects tags into the feedback, the tags are filtered and the feedback is submitted. If the user submits an empty feedback, the user will be prevented from submitting a feedback. So let's say I try to submit an empty feedback. See, I cannot submit it. I cannot click enter. I cannot do anything. But let's say I inject a tag and then go. So then I go like, hey, do I have any bookings? Yeah, so whenever I click it, see the tags are filtered out, right? So I'm assuming like that acceptance criteria is also met. See, and by the way, it also gives like the bookings that you have. See, I have a booking tomorrow at on 6th December. And then it like recorrects itself saying that, oh, actually your booking is on 5th December. So tomorrow would be 6th or whatever. I don't know. I think it's unable to like get the correct time, but it says that your most recent booking today is for December 5th, 4:45 a.m. Yeah, probably it's like misunderstanding that stuff, but I think it should be fine.
It's not an
Huh.
acceptance criteria, so
Yeah, so it should be fine. So as a user, I'd like to give feedback to AI assistant. So this story is done as well. So now to the last user story, and perhaps the most complex one. As a user, I'd like the AI assistant to learn from previous recommendations to ensure new recommendations align better with my preferences if time allows. So then you go like then oh sorry, for the first acceptance criteria, given that the user interacts with the AI assistant, likes or selects a combo, the system remembers those choices for the session. So I say that so it gave me a combo of like Dracula and Maru Sushi, right? So I can say that I really love the combo of Dracula movie with Maru Sushi. That's awesome. See, now it says that I'll remember that for your future recommendations. I hope you guys can see it.
yep.
Yeah, so it says that I can like remember it for your future recommendations. Now you can ask it, do you have my previous feedbacks and likings? See, you said I did a great job, and it also says your likings. Dracula movie plus Maru Sushi combo.
Oh,
Isn't that crazy? And then, given that the user starts a new chat session, the new recommendations are provided based on the previous chats, so it aligns better with the user preferences. So let's say I want to create a new chat saying, mm, recommendations two. I create another chat. I go like, can you recommend me something based on my previous likings? Yeah, this is the hardest part because these stories like take time because the AI is very slow.
I mean, it's fine, but it's still really cool.
Yeah, so it gives Frankenstein, Five Nights at Freddy. Oh, whoa. So look at it. It says that based on your previous likings, here's I thought it was gonna suggest like Dracula and Marasushi combo because that's what I liked, right? But since AI being AI, it goes like based on your previous likings, here's what I suggest. I remember you loved the Dracula and Marasushi combo, that horror fantasy movie paired with excellent Japanese cuisine. So here, let me give you some fresh recommendations that align with those preferences. So it gives me like the recommendations.
Nice.
That's cool. And then, so yeah, that is also done. And given that the user has no previous chat sessions, when the user asks to recommend on earlier choices, the AI should show a message like no previous chats exist for recommendations. So I added it at last because it completes like an entire circle. So let's go. Let me delete all the chats. Oh, I need to reload it because this is like preloaded state. Can you recommend me something based on previous feedbacks and likings? However, I don't see any previous feedback messages or expressions of preference in your current conversation history, and there's no other chat sessions recorded yet. You see it, right? Guys, am I audible?
Yep.
Yeah, just keep
Yes.
on. Yeah, I just have like a bad habit. Just keep like answering me, so I don't know if you guys are like following me or not. Okay, so 43, 45, 46 are not yet done. I'm going to implement them. It should be fine. And then for 47, who's doing 47?
I am doing 47.
Okay, for 47, as a user, I'd like to have my reminders centralized in my inbox or in my profile page. Okay. So for the acceptance criteria, okay, where the hell did that go? Okay, not remind. So you're doing 47, right? Okay. I would like to have all my reminders centralized on my profile page. Given that the UI for reminders is implemented properly, the user should see a list of reminders in the profile page. Once the reminders are marked red, the reminders are deleted or removed from the database. And then when a when a new event update or update occurs, the inbox automatically refreshes or shows a new reminder. So for this, I'm pretty sure you won't have enough time. So for in order to like show the reminders, you need to first show 48. I would like to receive reminders about my upcoming plans in order to like show your inbox, because there needs to be something, right?
Uh-huh.
And I'm pretty sure Haley hasn't like seen the implementation of 48, and she's gonna be like blown just by the complexity. So, okay, let's say given that the UI for reminders about upcoming plans is implemented correctly, the user should see upcoming plan reminders in the reminder section. So, how do you implement upcoming plans? So for that, basically, Rodrigo, I've like already showed it to you, but just to be like safe.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Yeah, so they're like two different types. You need to like make a plan within 24 hours, like not within 24 hours, exactly around the 24-hour mark, like 10 minutes here or there. Like it can be like 24 hours, 10 minutes from now, the plan, or like the plan needs to be like 24 hours, 23 hours, 50 minutes from now. So I'm just giving you
Okay.
like that little bit of buffer time so that you can like create it in advance.
All
I
right.
mean, we're gonna like meet tomorrow anyways, right? So it should be fine.
Wait, what time are we meeting tomorrow?
During the class time.
1 hour before
Okay.
the
Okay.
Yep.
presentation.
Okay, so just follow me. So you create a booking. So what is the time now? The time is 7:57, right? So my ideal choice would be like tomorrow at 7. Now it's already 7:57, right? So let's say the meeting starts at 11:30, I believe, right?
Yeah. 11, I think. But yeah.
11? Okay, so
Yeah,
let's say,
11.
yeah, let's say the meeting is from 11 to 11:30, let's say. So what you do is like you create a booking at exactly 11:15. Remember, like exactly 11:15 on 6th, not on 5th, because our meeting is on 5th, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, not 11:15 p.m., sorry, 11:15 a.m. is what you need to like change it. But not now. Now the time is like 7:57, 8. So I'm going like 8:05 p.m. or tomorrow. So it's almost like around 24 hours mark, right?
Yeah.
Now let's go. Let's fill some details. Let's go. Let's fill quickly. Pending, confirm, special request. Okay. So 8:05 p.m. Just like make sure the date is correct. Oh, I'm gonna go like 8 7 8 8 because I also need to like make a reservation, right? And the reservation needs to be earlier than booking. I already told you this, I believe.
Huh?
Okay, so now the booking is saved. Now you go to you search for like the GY Steakhouse as I told you,
Uh-huh.
because that's the only one I found out that is reservable. Click on reserve now. Yep, it opens the page, it opens the reservation, and the reservation needs to be for tomorrow again. Yep, 5th. And then it needs to be around 8 4, I believe. Let me put it at like 8 4 because it needs to be again earlier than booking. Reservation name, Sandesh. And the other details do not even matter, so don't worry much about it. So I saved the reservation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now we go to like plan builder section. So which was the reservation? So I have like too many, but yeah. Yeah, 10:08 is the booking that I have. And I also have the steakhouse at like 8 4 tomorrow. So it needs to build a plan. Yep, the plan is built. Now since the plan is built, all we need to do is like wait for 3 minutes to receive the mail. Oh yeah, by the way, you also get like the booking mails for like each and every booking though.
Hmm.
And also for like friend request, you do get mails now. But yeah, I'm just like waiting for it. Because it is, as of now, I've set it at like 3 minutes, every 3 minutes, it like records it. Now we need to like wait for 3 minutes for that to happen. And that's just why. Oh, so yeah. So meanwhile, to show like the plan, so acceptance criteria 1 should be done, 2 should be done, 3 should be, no, 2 isn't done. For 2, so Rodrigo, you following me, right?
Yep, I'm
For 2, it
listening
says
right
that
here.
reminders are visible in both inbox section and as a pop-up notification. But for it to be visible as a pop-up notification, the plan needs to be within the next 30 minutes again. So you need to
Yeah.
create another one.
Yeah.
So let's say the meeting is from like 11 to 11:30, right? So you create one at like 11:30. Just create one at like 11:35.
Okay.
So just remember the timings. For the plan number 1, it should be like 11 around like 11:15 the next day. But for these, it needs to be like 11:35 around today. So I create the booking, right? The booking needs to be at 11:35 today, 11:30. Oh, so the current time, sorry. So now the current time is 8, right? So 35 minutes from 8. So 8. Oh, and by the way, I received the mail, I believe. See, you guys can see the mail, right?
Yep.
Time until showtime, 24 hours and 6 minutes for the plan.
Hmm.
Okay, so that one is implemented. And also, let me just like make this reservation quickly. If I go like 8:30, 8:30, which is like under 30 minutes, and then go like 2D, select a language, enter some price, and then enter name, and then confirm, then save booking. Booking is saved. Then I need to go search GUI Steakhouse. Correct. I need to click reserve now. Yeah, but this is such a pain in the ass, to be honest. So you guys need to be like doing it early if that is better. I mean, that is actually better. So I click, oh, I think it is going directly for like tomorrow. What the heck? Why isn't it like showing now?
It doesn't have reservations for tonight, maybe. Or I don't
Not
know,
tonight, but
honestly.
I think I might have added a restriction over there. But yeah, I'm gonna see if there is another reservation that's earlier today though. So, but movie I haven't added it. It's like there's a movie at like 10:04. There's already a movie at like 8:04, but it's on 5th. So yeah, on 4th, it's already expired. So I'm just curious how to proceed with it. That's weird. Let me just try again. Let me just try again. Just give me a second. Hmm. Oh, again, the reservation needs to be earlier than the movie, right? So yeah, but you've already tested it, right, Rodrigo? Like I've showed it to you, right? How to do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, yeah. I have seen it. Even with the
Yeah,
pop-up and
yeah,
yeah.
and also like after you receive the mail, that's when you go to the inbox. There you can see all the reminders like booking confirmed, upcoming plan, booking confirmed. So these are like basically two user stories like mixed together as one. So user story 47 and 48 are your user stories, right, Rodrigo?
Uh-huh.
So, okay, given that the UI for reminders is implemented correctly, the user should see a list of reminders on page. So that now you can show him that, oh yeah, now you can see the reminders on the page.
Okay. Yeah.
And then once the reminders are marked red, the reminders are deleted or removed from the database. That we do like marking and deleting separately. So just go like I go mark, and then I go like show unread only, and it removes it from the notification. Just show that, and then it shows like there are 400 notifications. When I go like show all, and whenever like okay wait. So these are the red notifications, right? I don't need it anymore, so I can click a cross mark and it is deleted from the database. You can clearly show this to him,
Uh-huh.
and I believe we've like already tested. So 47 is already done. And for 48, make a plan for tomorrow at around 24 hours plus or minus 15 minutes time, and make another plan from now within 30 minutes in order to get the notification pop-up that you got on the screen. You got a pop-up here, right? If I'm not wrong, when you
Uh-huh.
tried it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So both of your user stories are also done. Um, and then user story 50. Who's doing user story 50?
Oh, I am.
You're doing Seong. So user
Yes.
story 50 is like very, very simple. You can probably, so this is where we need to like capitalize on our timings. So user story 50 is the email and the QR that you've implemented. So I go Zootopia, I click it, I go confirmed, I enter a name, I put a format in. So for this, you need to like show like making a booking. 50.24. And I'm gonna update it with like a fresh Grace Note API as well.
Yes.
I mean, right before the meeting, I'm gonna like update it with like a fresh Grace Note API.
Quick question. How's the Google Maps API? I mean, for the pictures. Is it
Why?
fine? I mean,
Yeah,
okay, just to be sure.
it is fine. It is fine. I mean, for backend testing, it doesn't use any pictures because you're not rendering any pictures, right? So it doesn't count as an API call for pictures.
Okay,
So
sounds good.
now I made a booking, right? Siong, you
Yes.
can see it, right? I just
Yep.
made a booking.
I do see. Do you hear me?
Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, I can hear you. So I go to my inbox, booking confirmed, latest message like 0 minutes ago.
Mhm.
Yep, booking confirmed, Zootopia, and I just added like a tiny detail to your code, if you don't mind. Like I
Yeah.
changed it to the QR to
Colors.
be like a brand color.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah,
It's really
so
good.
yeah, so you like download the QR code and then you open an online QR scanner because you cannot like open the mobile, right? So keep it
Yeah.
loaded. Yeah, just open the scanqr.org, drag or go to like where the heck are these? Okay, that's just weird. Wait, let me just like drag it and drop it. That would be easy. Oh, okay. Downloads, QR code, drag and drop it. Okay, so then it gives you a link. You can see the link, right? I believe.
Yeah. Right.
Copy the link, paste the link, and you should see a read-only plan link, like booking confirm booking details.
Mhm.
And that is all for this user story because it's like very easy. See, given that the UI for sending email or confirmation, email or message upon booking ticket is implemented correctly, the user should receive a confirmation mail after booking. The confirmation mail must consist of a QR, and upon scanning the QR, the user must be redirected to a read-only booking link, and we do it, right?
Yes.
And given that the user makes a booking, the alert also appears in the user's inbox or reminders section for easy reference. So by the way, I forgot to tell you that. So whenever you like make a booking, go to the inbox session in the profile page and you should see booking confirmed for Zootopia just now. It shows the timings as well.
Yep.
Is that good?
Yes.
Okay. So let me move to the next user story. Who's doing 51?
I'm doing 50, 51, and 52.
You're doing 50, 51, and 52?
Yes.
Okay, so for 51, as a user, I'd like to have a sandbox demo checkout or checkout via deep link. So for that, what you need to do is same, go back to the booking page, click on book now. But here you don't click on anything. Just click on, just select a one that is not like grayed out like this. You know what
Yep.
I mean, right?
Yep.
Because if it is grayed out, it means that it doesn't have a booking link.
Yes.
So click on one of them that is not grayed out, and then click on save to shortlist. It should be saved to shortlist. So which movie did I save?
Uh,
Casington Square 14
Zootopia.
Zootopia, right? Okay, so when I go to like routes and plans, see Black Phone, Zootopia 2, and the other movie. So this is
Mhm.
the movie that we saved, right?
Yes.
So here you see two options. This is what we need for our acceptance criteria. So one is a deep link button. So given that the UI for sandbox demo checkout and deep links are implemented correctly, users should see a demo checkout button and a deep link button. You do see a demo checkout button and a deep link button, which is a buy via Fandango button, correct? And then given that the user adds a show time to plan shortlist, the user should see the deep link button or buy via Fandango button next to the shortlisted show time. That now we see, right? And then given that the user clicks on the deep link button or buy via Fandango button, the user is redirected to the booking URL where he'll be able to purchase real tickets. So whenever you click on it, he gets redirected to the booking URL. It's as simple as that. And you also have an option to like make a booking, but don't waste your time on that. Making another booking, just cross on that. And then given that the user clicks on demo checkout button, the system confirms the booking in a simulated flow without collecting or storing any payment details. For like demo checkout, you need to show like two different features. So I clicked on demo checkout if you don't realize. So whenever you click on demo checkout, it takes you to the checkout page. So in the checkout page, you put some random card information. Okay, no, that's the name. Shoot. You put some random card, like it makes sure that it is like 16 digits, but I'm not, I don't even like check that. So I do this, right? And then I go like month 5, expiration 2026, put some random 3-digit CVV. And then when I click proceed to checkout, it gives me like the booking details. Can you see it, Sion?
Yes.
So let's say I enter the booking. Oh, just give me a second. I'm getting a call. Shoot. Yeah, I was just getting a call. Just give me a second. Okay, so enter the booking name. So just for you to like get a difference between like this booking and the other one, I'm gonna like price is optional, auditorium is optional. So I'm gonna put like some random stuff into the special request so that just so that we can like differentiate between these things. Wait, how do I change the position of this one? Okay, so I click like save booking.
Yes.
So after the booking is saved, it says processing payment. It says payment successful. It's as simple as that. And it redirects you to the routes and plans page. And now when you view your bookings, there needs to be a booking. Oh yeah, we typed all the crap, right? Zootopia 2 guests, AMC Castleton Square 14, tomorrow 1:45, and like all the bullshit typed in. So this is the one. I'm like deleting it just for now.
Yeah.
Yep, deleted it. And let me check again. Okay, they are deleted. I have like so many bookings, dude. Okay. So, oh, also I forgot to show you like one more feature, which is also like kind of the same. So let me go to like which one, routes and plans. Yeah, routes and plans. Let me click on like demo checkout again. So you have like a film foodie wallet option, right? My wallet balance is like $9.99. The ticket price is like $50. So you also need to like show this, by the way. And oh, and if you like cancel the booking, it was like whenever you like close the model, it goes like booking canceled, no payment was processed.
Okay.
Yeah, and that is also one of the acceptance criteria. So this is the only required field, I believe, and
So we don't.
language.
You decided not to use that external API.
No, we do.
Oh, we do.
Yeah, but this is like for the wallet. While depositing, you
Oh.
use Stripe, right? Not while
Yeah,
paying.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's the next user story. Yeah, so now it goes like payment confirmed. See, now my balance is like 949. You can like refresh it to him and show it that my balance is 949 and the booking has been made.
Yes.
The booking for Zootopia has been made at 1:30 or somewhere around there, I believe, tomorrow. But yeah, I have like too many bookings. None. Status confirmed. Horror, none. Yeah, this is probably the one. I need to remove it. And also like this also has some stuff, so I'll probably remove it too. Yep. So all of the remaining stuff do work. Yeah, the booking remove function also works. Okay. So now next, so let's go through all the acceptance criteria again, see if we've done everything.
Yeah,
Given
I'll
that the
check
UI
and practice tonight before.
Yeah. You should
Yeah.
probably like everybody should probably practice tonight because I myself like cannot remember like all the acceptance criteria. So I think it'd be like better for me and for everyone to like just get a hang of it and just keep practicing it.
Yes.
Given that the UI for Sandbox, demo checkout, and deep links are implemented correctly, the user should see a demo checkout button and a deep link button. We do see it. Given that the user adds a show time to plan shortlist, the user should see deep link or button or buy via Fandango button. We do see buy via Fandango button. Given that the user clicks on the deep link button or buy via Fandango button, he's redirected to the booking URL. He is redirected to the booking URL. Given that the user clicks on demo checkout, the system confirms booking in a simulated flow without collecting or storing any payment details. We do not collect any payment details. And given that the user cancels the booking or closes the model, no changes should be made to the booking page. So you need to show this as well, the last one. So whenever I cancel the model, it says booking cancelled, but you need to show that there is no booking being made. So what I'd suggest is do not have any previous bookings before the demo.
Yes, I don't have it right now.
Yeah, because he might
I'll
get like
delete
confused
everything.
because he's already like asking way too many questions.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. And next user story is also by you, right? 52.
Mhm.
Is it by you, Sion?
Yes.
Okay, and you've done it as well. So as a user, I'd like to have a payment wallet where I can deposit money. So for this, I use your like Stripe. So given that the UI payment wallet is implemented correctly, the user sees a wallet option with the current balance displayed. So you see the current balance displayed, right? Usually it's
Yes.
default to zero if you don't deposit anything.
Mhm.
Okay, so the acceptance criteria one is met. Then, given that the user clicks deposit money, they should be able to add funds through a simulated transaction. This is what you need to show. So I go like add funds. So it says like deposit money, right?
Mhm.
Let's deposit like $50 because let's make it $9.99. So let's deposit like $50. See, it takes you to like Stripe Sandbox demo checkout.
Yes.
So, and I already like pre-filled the card data. And by the way, for demo checkout, the card data is 42424242, 16 42s basically.
Yes. Yeah. I forgot to tell you that. Yeah.
No, I kind of figured it out. And
Okay.
then when you click on like processing, what it basically does is like it processes. Yeah, it says deposit successful, but it doesn't update it here. But go to the home page, like refresh the page again and tell him that, oh yeah, it is updated now, obviously.
Yes.
It went from 949 to 999, right? Are you
Mhm.
clear with this story?
Yep.
Okay, and then after depositing the wallet balance instantly on the screen shows a short confirmation page. We see that confirmation page, right? From that confirmation page, we just came to the home page.
Yes. Yep.
And next, given that the user deposits money, they receive a confirmation mail regarding the deposit. Oh, yep, I forgot to show you this. I just received the mail, by the way. See, wallet
Yeah.
deposit confirmation, $50 has been added to your Film Foodie wallet account. You see it,
Yeah.
right?
Looks good. Yeah, I see it.
Yep. So this user story is also implemented. And then user story 53. Who's doing 53?
It's Peter, I guess. 53 to
Peter?
54.
53 and 54 is by Peter, right? Yeah, I think it's very, very easy. I think he can do it, but just this is just for him to like understand. So you guys also like keep following me. As a user, I'd like to report bugs and submit feedbacks. Haley, are you following Haley and Rodrigo? Or
Yep.
am I like too
She's
far?
gonna step away for a second.
Yeah. No, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
here.
I went to the bathroom, but I'm back now.
I'm
Yeah,
here
or
too.
am I like too fast?
It sounds okay.
No,
Okay.
you're good.
So here on every page you have a support and feedback section that Haley created. So whenever you click on that, it opens this UI. You created this one as well, right, Haley? Because I didn't create it. I just used it.
Yeah.
But I fixed the structure though, because you had like three files, one file inside a file inside a file, like three wrapped classes. So I made it into like two, because the other one was doing nothing but like implementing the third one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So then like for the feedback, it's very, very simple. You have like four different options. And a subject. Subject is let's say uh not bug report. Let's go like general. Let's give like positive criticism. Nice. Okay, so mm, so given that the UI for reporting bugs is correctly implemented, the user should see an option to report bugs in different pages. So this is there in every page, every page. And Peter, you need to show it. Peter's not there, but I'm just telling it to the Peter who's watching the recording. So yeah. So given that the user tries to put tags in the feedback, the tags must be processed and removed. So basically, whenever you like put in tags, we don't remove it, but basically what we do is like it doesn't allow you to put tags in script. Whenever you click on like send please provide a valid input without HTML tags or scripts. That's what it says. It's as simple as that. And that acceptance criteria is also done. And wait. Given that the user provides an empty feedback, the user should be prevented from submitting the form. So if any of these required fields are empty, see, it says please fill all the required fields. So that also you need to show, Peter. And then given that the user provides valid input upon clicking submit, the user should see a thank you message. So let's say I go like create job and go like, oh, yeah, and when I go like send feedback, yeah, the feedback has been sent. We'll review it shortly and note HTML tags and scripts were removed from the script. Okay, that's done. So I believe user story 53 is completely implemented, right? What do you guys think?
Yeah. All meeting
Yeah,
all
looks good to me.
acceptance criteria.
Yeah. And for 55, for who's doing 55?
I am doing 55.
Oh, my bad. You should be doing 54 and Peter should be doing 55. Because 54 is admin, not 55.
Okay. Okay,
Can you
okay.
like
I'm
I'll
edit
switch
the chat if
from the.
possible, Haley?
You said what?
Can you like edit the chat in Discord if possible? Like
Yes.
55 is Rodrigo and 50. Okay, wait. Yeah,
54 for
55 is
Rodrigo.
Rodrigo and no, not 55. Which one is the admin? Yeah, sorry. 54 is Rodrigo and 55 is Peter.
Okay, I fixed my chat.
Okay, let me see it. 54 is Rodrigo and 5 yes, 55 is Peter and Rodrigo is 54. Yep, the chat is fixed. Nice.
same with mine.
Okay, yeah, the chat is fixed. Okay, so I'm gonna go with like first Peter's features. So as a user, I'd like to flag incorrect data. Given that the user is viewing any movie detail page, when they click on flag incorrect data option, the pop-up appears with predefined error types and a text box for additional comments. So just go, Peter, you need to like go, okay. I'm saying Peter, he's not even there. So you need to like go to like movie detail page. There's a thing called flag issue. It's the same model that Helios, kind of the same, but as a pop-up. So there are like three ways to close the model, and if you close it, nothing happens. Like you can close it this way, you can like click it here, you can like click cancel, it just closes, nothing happens. But if you need to like fill it out, go like and enter an email. It doesn't have to like match with your current email or anything like that. It can be any email because the users that are not logged in also must be able to provide feedback, right? And you can select any type of issue, incorrect movie information. The movie is just shit, not just bad. I don't want him to like read that stuff when he checks out our demo. Okay, given that so we see a pop-up that is done, and then given that the user submits a valid flag, the system stores the flag record in the database and sends it to the admin log for review. But I'm pretty sure it won't allow me to send it because the next app's acceptance criteria basically says that given that the user has already flagged a specific movie within 48 hours, then the option is disabled or shows a message like you've already reported the issue. Thank you. So let me try this first. See, you've already flagged this movie within the last 48 hours. Please wait before submitting another flag. So you need
They
to show
meant,
it. So
sorry.
yeah, basically how you like show it is, oh, you were saying something, Hilly? Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, I was gonna say that in the email he said that we need to, for demo purposes, we have to make it like 1 minute or 2 minutes or something. That way, um,
Like
well,
1 minute or 2 minutes for what?
okay, I'm looking at it now. Like our AC doesn't say that like it disappears, so it should be fine. Because he was saying in the email like, oh, instead of 48 hours, you could use like 1 minute or 2 minutes. but we don't even have to show
No.
that.
That is for like the planned reminders thing. That is for the planned reminders thing. I made it to like 3 minutes. That's fine. But for this thing, like
Okay.
the movie is within 48 hours. So within 48 hours is like a very high range, right?
Yeah.
So let's say I review a movie. Okay, let me like give you a basic example of this. So I haven't reviewed to Wildcat, I believe. So I go like flag issue. I enter the name. No, I'm gonna enter. And I'm gonna put my email. It should still work, by the way. And okay, so I say that some missing info. So now I submit the flag, right? You can see that I've submitted the flag, right? Really. But when you try submitting it again, it's within the 48-hour limit, right?
Yes.
So I can put like any name, it doesn't matter. But it's coming from my account. So see, you already flagged this movie within the last 48 hours. Please wait before submitting another flag. Oh, but by the way, also make sure that the email is the same for both because we match by email. So
Even
the
if you're
name
on the
can be
account,
anything, but the
yeah.
email, like let's say for the first review, I've put this email, and for the second review as well, use the same email because only then it'll be able to tell that, oh, the movie has been already reviewed within last 48 hours.
Cool.
Okay. And then I think, oh yeah, given that the user submits malicious inputs, then those inputs are sanitized before being stored or sent to the admin log. It's the same as bug report thing. Like like you click on it, you oh no, I don't know if it will help. SCRIP script. I go like mm, I enter a script tag, I go my name, I enter my email, I click submit flag. It's it. Please provide a valid input without HTML tags or scripts. That's it. So I believe this acceptance criteria is also met, right? 55. Guys,
Yeah, looks good.
looks
Same.
good. Okay,
Yeah,
and then finally 54. You're doing 54, right, Rodrigo?
I am.
So
Yeah.
Haley, just to confirm, if you log in on the features bar, can you see this thing called admin logs?
Yeah, on which account, remind, would that be on?
Just log into your normal account. I haven't given you the permission, so you shouldn't be able to like yet see it. So
Oh, no, I don't see it.
you don't see it, right? Even after you
Mm-mm.
scroll it next to find friends. And Rodrigo, you can see it, right? We've already like confirmed it.
Yes. Yes,
So
yes.
whenever you like click on the admin logs button, it's only visible for like admin. And Rodrigo, you need to show that it's only visible for admin, by the way, like by logging into another account.
Okay, I got another
So
one.
here you have all the types like bug reports and movie flags. Say one says like wrong poster that was posted by like Rodrigo, and one says like bug reports, and it also like shows the statuses of the bugs like pending resolved. You can like update your statuses, you can like change your statuses to resolved or something. So given that the admin opens the admin bug log page, they can see a list of all reported bugs. Yeah, that we already do. I think we need to like bullet past these small tiny user stories. Given that the bug log contains multiple reports, when the uses filters or sort options, they are filtered according to the options. So whenever we go like sort, we go like filter, we go like all categories, we go like date oldest first, it shows the oldest first, newest first, it shows the newest first. I mean, I can go at this pace, but I don't know if he's even gonna like understand it. But the problem is we have to go at this page to like a pace to like get him like get done with the things. And then you can also like update the statuses according to acceptance criteria. So let's say I update Rodrigo's thing. Wait, where is his thing? All issues. So it says incorrect, in a wrong
Huh?
poster. I go like, yep, I go like reviewed. When I click on refresh or like when I refresh the page, it still stays. Wait, I need to go back here. It still stays reviewed, and when I click resolved, it changes to resolved. When I refresh this or like when I reload the page, it shows like resolved. And these are all the bugs that are like provided before. And if he asks for like more dumb stuff, like can you like send the report again? Can you like send the feedback again? I'm gonna be very pissed. Okay, so this acceptance criteria is also done. when they refresh or reopen the page, the bug statuses remain consistent and correctly stored in the database. We do that, right?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah,
believe
yeah.
we're done with all of the acceptance criteria, guys. How long did it take? 1 hour. It exactly took me 1 hour to like present all of them.
Yeah.
No, but
Mm.
I had to like look at each and every acceptance criteria, right? But if everyone like remembers their own acceptance criteria, it should be fine. Okay, how do I stop my screen sharing, by the way? Share. Does anyone know how do I like stop my screen sharing? Oh yeah, stop sharing. Okay, got
Uh-huh.
it. My Zoom has been acting weird today. Okay. Now you guys cannot see my screen anymore, right?
Nope.
No,
Yeah, I don't
not
see it
anymore.
anymore.
Okay, so as far as like whatever like we've done, what do you guys think of the current sprint?
I think it's like in really good shape.
Yeah, I mean my only concern would be time, not the implementation of the stories. I mean, last time I think our major problem was that we also missed like the requests part, right?
Right, yeah.
So and also the like and reaction counter. So I feel like that's where we also like lost a few points.
Yes.
So this time, like even if we like go a little over the time, it should still be fine. But
And also, I think that he kind of deducted more points on time rather than like not implementing.
rather than the
So
implementation, because I
so if he asks like too much questions, we can just tell him that because of time, just
yeah,
wait
can you like
and we'll
ask
come
all the
back.
questions at the end? Because he keeps like interrupting in between. So let's say now, like just now, I've shown you like the bug logs, right? I'm pretty sure. I mean, if it was like Sprint 2, I mean now I don't know if he's like changed a little bit of his like approach because of our TA like mailing him and saying that to him. But if it was for like Sprint 2, he would have definitely asked me to like submit two more feedbacks again to just to like test if the feedbacks are updated correctly.
And he kind of forgets what he already saw. So,
Yeah, and he also like kind of forgets what he already saw. And like that's when we like go slowly, by the way.
Yeah.
So imagine we go at this pace, like let's say I go like acceptance criteria one, you can see the user bug logs, you can see everything, and then when you click on the status has changed. When you click on like when you refresh, it still stays the same. It still stays the same. When you add the filters are shown, and the user story is done. You can do this, but basically he's not gonna understand a shit from that. Because for like the basic stuff we did last time, like the maps, for the maps you can like clearly see everything is being displayed there, right? Xiang.
yeah.
For the maps, like in the routes and plans section, last time we displayed the entire route, the directions, and also the dining along route like clearly. But
And
still
he
he kept
asked
asking
again.
for like different edge cases in that like 10 times, dude. He was like, can you go to Google? Can you search another restaurant that is reservable? That is all like crap, I believe. And also, we have like 100 features to implement even this time. So good luck with that for us, I guess.
No, I think it'll go okay. For the meeting tomorrow, we are doing online, right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I don't care if it's offline or online. I think Haley, I think it would be better if you do online because you're gonna be there for a class, I believe. Then
Yeah.
yeah. Rodrigo says doesn't have any classes. Do you, Rodrigo?
I don't. I'd rather do it in person
Yeah, so
because I have another class also in
Haley can
person.
be like online, and Haley and the remaining group can do it online. Rodrigo can meet me here because Rodrigo has to do the plan reminders, and I need to like create plans just to be safe.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and that should be fine. So by what time will you be there, Rodrigo, tomorrow?
How
By
about the
10.
other guys? How about Peter and St. John?
I have class from 9:30 to 10:30.
10:30. Okay, yeah. So you
Awesome.
can Peter. Sorry. So Seong and Haley and Peter can probably join at like 10:30. But Rodrigo, I need you to be there by like 10. at
Yeah.
Microsoft. Yeah.
Yeah, I can be there.
Because we have like 3 more criteria, right? I just don't want to do like 7 because it might be like long. So I was just thinking that I might give like 1 or 2 to you if you like understand it during that 30 minutes of time.
Yeah, sure. I'll be there by 10:30.
Yeah.
10 a.m., I mean.
Yeah, then. All right, then, guys. See you. Talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
I
you
See you
guys. Bye.
I think
guys.
we've made like good progress. We've done like, I mean, considering from the fact